Ever felt like you're playing phone tag trying to schedule a meeting? Or worse, have you ever double-booked yourself and shown up to the wrong place at the wrong time? We've all been there. Scheduling meetings can be a real headache, especially when you're juggling multiple clients, team members, and your own busy schedule. But what if there was a way to streamline the entire process, making it easier for everyone involved? Well, there is. And today we're diving into how to do just that using HubSpot meetings. Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're tackling a question that pops up a lot. How do I create an event in HubSpot meetings? HubSpot's meeting tool is a powerful way to simplify scheduling, and creating events within it takes that efficiency to the next level. Whether you're hosting webinars, workshops, consultations, or any other kind of event, HubSpot meetings can help you manage registrations, send reminders, and keep everything organized. So, if you're ready to ditch the scheduling chaos and embrace a more streamlined approach, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why HubSpot meetings are so useful. Think about the traditional way of scheduling. You send out emails back and forth trying to find a time that works for everyone. It's time-consuming, frustrating, and prone to errors. HubSpot meetings eliminates all of that. You simply create a meeting link, set your availability, and share the link with your attendees. They can then choose a time that works best for them, and the meeting is automatically added to everyone's calendars. It's that simple. Now let's get down to business. How do you actually create an event in HubSpot meetings? First things first, you'll need a HubSpot account. If you don't already have one, you can sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales drop-down menu in the main navigation bar, and then select Meetings. This will take you to the main Meetings dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the Meetings dashboard, you'll see a button labeled Create Meeting Link. Click on it. This will open a new window where you can customize your meeting event. The first thing you'll want to do is give your event a descriptive name. Instead of something generic like meeting, try something more specific like product demo or consultation project alpha. This will help your attendees understand what the event is about. Next, you'll need to set the duration of your event. How long will it last? 30 minutes? An hour? You can choose from a predefined list of durations or enter a custom duration. Keep in mind that this is the length of the event itself, not necessarily the length of each individual meeting within the event, as we'll get to that in a moment. Now, this is where we start to differentiate between a standard meeting and a meeting event. For a regular meeting, you'd simply set your availability and share the link. But for an event, you likely want to offer multiple time slots or even different dates. This is where availability comes in. Instead of just setting your usual availability, you can tailor it specifically for this event. You might choose specific days and times that you're running the event, or even block out whole days for a full-day workshop, for example. Let's say you're hosting a 2-day workshop. You might set your availability for the first day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and then the second day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. as well. You can even set different durations for different slots if needed. This is the key difference between a standard meeting link and an event link, the flexibility in scheduling across multiple days and times. Once you've set your availability for the event, you can customize the meeting details. This includes adding a description of the event, which is crucial. Tell your attendees what they can expect, what topics will be covered, and any other relevant information. The more detail you provide, the better. You can also add a location, either a physical address or a link to a virtual meeting platform like Zoom or Google Meet. If it's a virtual event, make sure to integrate your chosen platform with HubSpot for a seamless experience. Now, let's talk about the important stuff, the meeting link itself. After you've customized all the details, HubSpot will generate a unique meeting link for your event. This is the link you'll share with your attendees. You can copy and paste it into emails, embed it on your website, or share it on social media. Wherever you share it, make sure it's easily accessible to your target audience. One of the great features of HubSpot meetings is that it integrates seamlessly with other HubSpot tools, like your CRM. This means that when someone registers for your event, their information is automatically added to your CRM. This makes it easy to track attendance, follow up with attendees after the event, and nurture leads. You can also set up automated email reminders to be sent to attendees before the event, ensuring that they don't forget. Another powerful feature is the ability to customize the registration form. You can add custom fields to collect specific information from your attendees, such as their industry, job title, or any other relevant details. This information can be incredibly valuable for your sales and marketing efforts. Now, let's say you want to make changes to your event after you've already created it. No problem. You can easily edit your meeting link at any time. Just go back to the meetings dashboard, find the event you want to edit, and click on it. You can then make any necessary changes to the event details, availability, or registration form. Any changes you make will be automatically reflected in the meeting link. So, to recap the steps, first, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the meetings dashboard. Click on Create Meeting Link and give your event a descriptive name. Set the duration of the event and, most importantly, define your availability across the days and times you plan to host the event. Add a detailed description, location, physical or virtual, and customize the registration form as needed. Then, copy the generated meeting link and share it with your attendees. And that's it. Creating an event in HubSpot Meetings is a straightforward process that can significantly simplify your scheduling. By using this powerful tool, you can save time, reduce errors, and create a more professional and efficient experience for your attendees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.